Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIC 9. In this video, itutuloy na yung series natin on radicals. Sa video na to, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-rationalize ng denominator ng isang fraction. No? For example, naaral natin sa Rad 05 dito sa series na ang square root of 2 times square root of 2 is equal to 2. And in fact, square root of n times square root of n is equal to n. Where n is of course greater than or equal to 0. Now, if multiplying square root of n times square root of n, the result is n. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin gamitin yan sa pagtanggal ng radical expression sa denominator ng isang fraction. For example, yung 1 divided by square root of 2, gusto natin tanggalin yung square root of 2 dun sa denominator. So we can just multiply the denominator by square root of 2. So kung ano man yung i-multiply natin sa denominator, ganun din ang i-multiply natin sa numerator. Para in effect, we are multiplying 1 divided by square root of 2 by square root of 2 divided by square root of 2, which is equal to 1. So pag nag-multiply ka ng number by 1, ibig sabihin hindi mo binabago yung value ng number na yun, which means hindi natin binabago yung given. So, pag nag-multiply tayo ng fraction, we multiply the numerator, 1 times square root of 2. This is just square root of 2. And we also multiply the denominator, square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just 2. That's from here. So, square root of 2 divided by square root of 3. Ang gusto nating tanggalin ay yung radical sign sa denominator. So, wala tayong problema kung may radical sign sa numerator. Ibig sabihin, multiply natin to by square root of 3. Yung denominator niya para mawala yung square root. Kung ano yung i-multiply natin sa denominator, ganun din sa numerator. So, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. And square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. So, huwag nyo kalimutan yung property na square root of A times square root of B is equal to square root of AB. Dito nang galing yung square root of 6. Next, we have 10 divided by square root of 5. So, natin tanggalin yung square root of 5. So, times square root of 5 divided by square root of 5. Ang numerator natin ay 10 times square root of 5, which is just 10 square root of 5. Yung denominator natin ay square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. Pwede tayo mag-cancel. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, 2 times square root of 5 divided by 1 is just 2 times square root of 5. Ano ibig sabihin nito? After nyo mag-rationalize, pag may pwede kayong i-simplify, dapat i-simplify nyo. No? Next, we have 6 divided by 5 square root of 3. 6 divided by 5 square root of 3. Kailangan natin tanggalin yung square root of 3. So, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 3. This is equal to 6 times square root of 3 divided by 5 times 3. We can cancel again, no? 6, yung 3 tsaka 6. We can cancel again, no? Yung 3 tsaka 6 pwede natin i-cancel. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Meaning, the final answer is 2 square root of 3. Ang 5 times 1 is just 5. So that's 2 square root of 3 divided by 5. Number 5, we have 2 square root of 3 divided by square root of 6. So pwede natin i-rationalize. 2 square root of 3 divided by square root of 6. Ang gusto natin tanggalin yung radical sign sa denominator, no? So, hindi tayo magmumultiply ng square root of 3. We multiply by square root of 6. 2 times square root of... ano ang square root of 3 times square root of 6? That's square root of 18, di ba? Divided by 6. Okay? Ay, pwede ba tayong i-simplify? Yung 2 tsaka 6. Can divide by 2, 1. Divide by 2, 3. So this is equal to 1 times square root of 18 is just square root of 18. And then yung nasa denominator natin ay 3. Question. Final answer na ba yan? Well, hindi pa, no? Kung kaya nyo mag-simplify, simplify nyo pa. Ang square root of 18, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. Square root of 18 divided by 3 is equal to... Now, yung 18, pwede pa tayo maghanap na perfect square na factor ng 18. Ano yon? Square root of 9 times 2. That's 18 divided by 3. And yung square root of 9 times 2, pwede natin paghiwalayin. Square root of 9 times square root of 2 divided by 3. And we know that square root of 9 is 3. So magiging square root of 2 divided by 3. We can cancel. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 times square root of 2 is square root of 2. Divided by 1 is still square root of 2. So the answer is square root of 2. Alright, maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial.